Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. This actually came from Russia. I couldn't even tell you where it's from because I can't read it, but it did come from Russia. It is a Sprint phone though. I guess I must have had it and traveled overseas with it or something, but there's the phone. I actually had one of these. I used it on Page Plus years ago. Back when I could flash phone numbers onto it. I used it there. It was an awesome phone though. Mine, I did a little customization things to it, so it was a little different than the stock one. There it is. There's a HTC EVO 4G on Sprint. It's got the built-in kickstand. Now on mine, this one's actually broken. On mine, I took this red kickstand out and I put in the silver one off a white one. That's what I did on mine. Looks to be in good shape. This cover comes off, if I remember right. Yeah, there we go. There's like the ES information, your micro SD card slot and stuff like that. But I actually really like this phone when I used the one I had. Probably going to be dead because it's been in shipping for a while now. Looks like there's a little mark on the display right there. So if I can't get it to work, it'd be a good parts one for another one. Or I can drop test it once I get all the parts off of it. So you want to find a silver one and do this same piece right here, this kickstand. So, that was a quick unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And stay tuned for the next one.